Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1968 Pontiac Firebird. Great car, guys. Bought this locally from a couple. They have owned this car for, I think, over 35 years. I think it's been restored for 35 years. He owned a body shop, did all the work himself. Car's been completely apart, but again, it's been done for 35 years and still looks great. Obviously, you can nitpick it. There are some blemishes in the paint, but man, you want to talk about a good car. And he said there's only about 2,500 miles actually on this car since he got it done. I guess when he first got it done, they lived on a dirt road, and when you see the bottom of this car, he just never wanted to drive it. He said it was just too nice. And said he's driven a little more lately, but said it was just time to let it go. But yeah, he said probably only 2,500 miles on this car since he restored it. Again, you look at the subframe, there's all new bushings in there. Finished it in Starlight black. It's got the factory black vinyl interior. And I'll tell you, again, you can nitpick this car, guys. It's been done for a while. But you want to talk about a great car and what I think a great buy for the money. This is a good car. Again, you can see little blemishes as we walk around it. I'll try to point them out. But good car. Front spoiler on the car. Car really drives out good. They put a upgraded Borgeson steering box on it, so the steering's good. Dual chrome mirrors. They're showing their age a little bit. Yeah, this is 35-year-old paint. Again, you can kind of nitpick it, but still very nice. Turn the key, go cruising. Whoever buys this car is just going to have a blast with it. If we can get it in before the rain comes in. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. He said wherever there was rust, he bought a new panel for it. He said it just doesn't mess with rust. Those are newer BF Goodrich Radial Ts. I can't remember when he said he replaced those. Factory 14-inch rallies. Yeah, car is nice and straight. It's got the factory rallies with the PMD caps. Does have front disc brakes. Again, there's some little touch-up marks, some stuff like that. But very nice. He built the 400 for it. I don't think he really did much to it. Headers, you know, it's got Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel, power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have the 400 turbohydramatic trans, and he did upgrade it to an HEI distributor. Again, you can see the Borgeson steering box in there. And really just a good car. Good people, like I say, they love the car. The wife is a little disappointed to let it go. See a little touch-up mark there at the bottom of the door. Yeah, I think whoever gets this car is just going to have a blast with it. Again, not crazy money. I think it's a really good buy. You can definitely upgrade some little things on it, but the bones of this car are great. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. Factory black vinyl interior. Steering wheel, that's what he said. The steering wheel kind of has showed its age. Factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the wood grain console in it. It's got all the correct seat belts. Headliner looks great, but again, you can pick that. I'd probably replace that. 87,000 is the original miles on the car. Aftermarket radio works, aftermarket gauges works, blower motor works. Original owner's manual's in the glove box there. Dual exhaust, factory 10 bolt. No big gear like the stock 331, so nothing crazy. Good car. Well, now we got the sunlight trying to peek out. Again, wait till you see the pictures of the bottom of this car. He had it completely apart when he did it. So the floors are painted shiny black. Seats look good. You can see the carpet's lost a little bit of its dye, but gauges look good in there. Like I say, the only thing really kind of, you know, I put a new steering wheel on it. No big cam or anything crazy. He said he just built it for him and his wife to cruise. Choke works. See it's kicked on. Yeah, that's just a good car right there. It's going to be really tough to beat for the money, I'll tell you that right now. All the gauges worked. Everything opens and closes real nice. The fitment on it's good. Backup lights work. You know what didn't kick on was our brake lights. I'll bet you got to check the. Give it another rev, Nathan. You can see the kick down, kicked on. The brake lights didn't come on, Nathan. I bet you it's in that brake light switch.
We have them.
Radio works, all the gauges are functional. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. Blower motor works. Wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we host a new. Yeah, the brake lights are working now. It's a little brake light switch. Nathan just moved it a little. It's just a good car, man. Love the black on black. Yeah, it's starting to get cold, guys. Good straight car.